easiest challenge going, to be fair. But boys, we are in the last bowl of these 8 tins of beans. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to finish this off. Oh yeah. Right, sweet. Crazy. I wouldn't say it's crazy, but I think it's deserved. Right, bro's taking a trip to Turkey tomorrow. Alright, let's fucking dig in, boys. I'm gonna grab 10 at a time and just start fucking yamming them, you know what I mean? What? Catching it. Nine boys and girls. We're probably like 30 full. Do I only drink water? Oh, fucking hell, Ollie, we're free. What are we now? Are we 300 away? Keith Lee would love it. Bro, people actually don't know this.
Okay, let's just hit it now. Fuck it, lads and women in the chat. Let's just fucking hit it now. Oh, pardon me. This is anabolic. Wait, what? Oh, wait. It's so fucking hot, mate. To be fair, let me do a poll if you want me to do that right now. I'd probably be really sad about you guys. So thank you very much for making me happy. You guys make me happy, which is... I really do appreciate all of you. Right, anyway. Okay, well. And if enough people put smiley face, I will dig in. 26 people aren't ready. Right. 3, 2. Oh, right. Fuck me. Pardon me, sorry, that's not very generous. Rest of this beef on a bagel. But yes or no if you just want me to whack the rest of this beef on a fucking bagel, lads. Yes.